miles per hour. This is your weather radio station WNG 654 in Stillwater, operating on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. Programming originates from the Norman Forecast Office. We make the difference when it matters most. You are listening to Stillwater Weather Radio, and here are 2 p.m. weather observations. At Stillwater, it was sunny. The temperature was 74 degrees, the dew point 20, and the relative humidity 13%. The wind was southwest at 26 miles an hour, gusting to 39. Messages transmitted at the request of the Guthrie Fire Chief. People between Prairie Grove to Highway 105 and CHOCTAW RD and XXXX have been requested to evacuate due to an approaching wildfire. Please proceed to Highway 105 and drive west or east to evacuate. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Guthrie Fire Chief.